A two-day workshop in Cape Town last November brought together governments, regional and sub-regional organizations, civil society organizations, development agencies and researchers to exchange ideas on how to strengthen coherence between agriculture and social protection. In many countries, social protection programs help people to manage risks such as unemployment, disability, and old age. Participants learned from concrete social protection experiences from countries like Malawi, Senegal, Mexico, Brazil, Peru, Niger, Bangladesh, and South Africa. They reflected on the implications for their own circumstances.
This workshop that's organized by the FAO and its partners is helping bring policymakers together in a community of learning so that the very important practices that Malawi can share with the rest of Africa, that Senegal can share, that South Africa can share, all this South-South learning focused on building greater capacity for better policy. That's one of the most productive things you can do to build coherence between these two important policy sectors.
Participants from the African Union and the New Partnership for Africa's Development explained how linking agricultural and social protection interventions can contribute to reduced poverty, vulnerability, hunger, and malnutrition. Important regional policy frameworks, such as the 2013 Declaration for Ending Hunger in Africa and the 2014 Malabo Declaration on Accelerated Agricultural Growth and Transformation, make clear statements on the need to strengthen coherence between agriculture and social protection.
I think in many countries, especially in Africa, food security is one of the main problems that countries face. And so programs that are linking agriculture and social protection are also achieving food security objectives. A very good example is Ethiopia, where the food security program actually provides a combination of social protection programs like public works or food or cash transfers to people, but also provides assets which help people build livelihoods, especially agricultural livelihoods, in the household asset building program. So that combination of agricultural support and social protection support is actually achieving quite a lot in terms of reducing rural poverty and improving food security.
The main problem is agriculture and social protection run in different ministries in all the countries. The Ministry of Agriculture has its own mandates, has its own practitioners, its stakeholders. Ministries that are responsible for social protection, including gender and children or social welfare, also have their own different mandates. So sometimes the challenge is to bring together these mandates. And also to engender some understanding among the practitioners on the relevance of each of the sector to each other.
We can mobilize political commitment. The coordination of agriculture and social protection interventions is not just a technical and operational issue. We can engage different players, including the private sector and civil society, in working together to design and implement agricultural and social protection interventions. We can generate and disseminate evidence on the benefits of combined interventions. We can develop national human and institutional capacities for strengthening coherence between agricultural and social protection interventions. We know it is possible to combine agricultural and social protection policies and programs to improve social and economic development. This needs to start with dialogue between the two sectors. We have seen it happen in many countries in South America and Africa. For example, in Zambia,
we have worked very, very closely with our colleagues, Minister of Agriculture. We have the committees which are called the district welfare assistance committees. So we ensure that the key stakeholders, Minister of Education, Minister of Health, Minister of Agriculture, they are all part of that committee. And it is a committee that actually is in charge of implementation of developmental programs at a district level.
The Cape Town workshop could be a turning point in translating policy commitments into action. Governments now have a great opportunity to take steps to ensure that social protection and agriculture work together to eradicate hunger and poverty. Neither agriculture nor social protection alone can address the challenges faced by the poor farmers. Countries need to fully commit to coherent agricultural and social protection interventions if they want to achieve the ultimate goal: to get and keep people out of poverty and hunger forever.